Forex trading. We have seen and heard about it all over the internet. There are some suspicions, but it can be a great side hustle. Well, of course, we're here to find out for you. Welcome to the Side Hustle Show. This is the show where we break down the side hustles that are trending online and show you how we do it. I'm Lucas Sakara, your host, and in this episode we are talking about Forex trading. So if you're like me and you're interested in actually learning about how it works, then this video is for you. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and of course subscribe, and let's get into the video. So what is Forex trading? The foreign exchange market, aka Forex, is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies against one another. This is a place where investors join to buy and sell currencies, and it's very similar to the stock market. Check out our previous video if you haven't already. So I know we've all heard about Forex trading before, but you could be still wondering how it works. Well, the structure of the Forex market is very straightforward. The aim is to buy and sell currencies and make profit on the difference between the transactions. You want to buy a currency at one price and sell it for a higher price, or sell a currency at one price and buy it for a lower price in order to make profit. You can trade Forex for a number of online brokers and platforms who specialize in trading the Forex market. Anyone can trade Forex. It's open to all, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. However, if you want to make the most out of this hustle, you need to take it seriously and put in time. Not just subscribe to one of these online courses where you follow trends and signals from a guy in Dubai by the pool. Work is needed. Work. Let's quickly break down the investing aspects. I know it can be confusing at first, but there are a variety of resources available to help you understand how the Forex market works. Let's get into it. To be a Forex trader, you have to carry out a lot of research and dedicate many hours a day to learn about the market and perfecting the skills. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme which is shown on social media.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
From doing my research, there are a lot of terms, informations and strategies to learn in order to be successful in the Forex game. So try to do your own research before buying into them courses. There are a few key terms that you need to understand when trading. Let's go through them. A currency pair. A currency pair is basically the quotation and pricing structure of the currencies that are being traded. For example, the pound versus the dollar. Active trading. Active trading is where you place many trades throughout the month. This strategy is all about timing and capitalizing on events and fluctuations to make it into a profit. Finally, day trading. Day trading is a method where you buy and sell currencies the same day. The goal is to make as much profit before the currency declines. So we've covered how it works, so let's go through the pros and cons. Pros: generate good income. The best thing about the Forex market is the possibility to make a lot of money. If you do your research, study the market and make right decisions.
Why make trillions when we could make billions?
Easy to set up. There are so many brokers and online platforms where you can easily buy and sell currencies. Flexible trading hours. Since the market is 24 hours, as long as the market is open, you can make deals anytime and anywhere in the world. Trading opens on a Sunday at 9 PM UK time and closes on a Friday at 10 PM New York time. Moving on to cons. High risk. There are so many risks when trading in the Forex market. Please be careful. Before you invest, make sure you are educated and understand the risk that you are taking.
We can put that check in a money market mutual fund. Then we'll reinvest the earnings into foreign currency accounts with compounding interest, and it's gone.
What?
It's gone. It's all gone.
Trial and error. With everything, practice makes perfect. Since the market is so unpredictable, there will be times where you will win money and lose money. Be smart with your trades to make profit. Currency volatility. Currencies are always changing. Sometimes this can be a positive, but also a negative. Remember to do your research and stay up to date with live events that are happening in the market. Let's quickly recap the pros and cons. Pros: generate good income, easy to set up, and flexible trading hours. Cons: high risk, trial and error, and currency volatility. Now this is the part of the show where we give an example of how I would do it. Before we get started, please do your own research. We are not promoting trading. This is for entertainment and education purposes only. Be smart out there and let's get into it. First up, you need to set up a brokerage account. There are so many platforms out there, so do your research and find one that suits you. It's easy to set up and can be done in a few minutes, and once you understand how the platform works, you can move on to the trading part. Next is setting up a practice account. The great thing about this is that there is no pressure and no money to lose. Don't rush into using real money. Make sure you understand all things trading before you make that step. Understanding the risks. There are different types of risks that you should be aware of as a Forex trader, so let's go through them. Leverage risk. Leverage in trading can be a positive, but it can also be risky. The higher the leverage, the better the profits. However, your losses can increase too. Interest rate risk. This is when the country's interest rate rises. This means the currency will be strengthened. However, this can also have a negative effect on the currency if the interest rate decreases. Finally, transaction risk. This is when your trade is at risk due to the time zones between the country. The currencies might be traded at a different time, which affects the prices. Another term you need to learn how to use is market orders and limit orders. A market order is where you buy and sell a currency as soon as possible at the best available price. A limit order is where you buy and sell currencies only at the better price that you set. Once you understand how this works, you can begin to plan how to place your trades. Trading Forex is very risky as the market is always changing and can be unpredictable, so you need to be smart with your trading. The first thing you have to do is set aside a budget for trading so you don't risk all your money. Like I mentioned earlier, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You might not make profit every day. There could be more losses than wins. It's important to be realistic and take time when learning the craft. Well guys, that's our show. Let us know in the comments below if you're thinking to start trading and how you will do it. As always, leave a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.